macam. So, okay. Again, just now, the crew set the tables. This is all we have. So, if you don't mind sharing the seats, tables with, other people, make some new friends, okay? And enjoy yourself. So, this first song is called Satu Suara. This is gonna be an original. Hope you like it. Suehaila, it's spelled there. And if you guys want to find me on social media, I'm on Instagram at Suerox, Suerocks. So if you guys taking photos, videos, you guys want to tag me, feel free. This is another original. This one is not out anywhere, but I always have it on my set. It's called Communicate. When you're in a relationship and the other person is not, communicating with you and you're getting frustrated. So that's kind of what the song is about. So this song's Communicate. So you can just vibe and sing if you guys use it. Do you still take a long time to get ready? 'Cause you used to make too much out of that kind of stuff when you turn your head around and you kiss. 'Cause the dress looks nice on your feet. Time just to Alright, that was the dress. I don't know what's going on behind me. It's like after every song finish, someone's giggling. These two are giggling in the back. I don't know why. It's like, but everything sounds okay, right? Like, like, are you guys like this? Thank you to my in-laws, parents-in-law, mom-in-law, and dad-in-law. They just walked in the middle of this set just now. I was like, I should have these people in front. Thank you for coming, guys. This is your first time watching me singing live with a band, or just ever. So, a bit more nervous now that you guys are here in front of me, but it's okay, be chill. Yeah, and if you guys don't know, actually my husband is on bass, so this is Mika. Okay, I might as well introduce the whole band now. On guitar is Chawin, and then we have JJ on the drums. Okay, so we have one more song before we go into the break/open mic session. So this is another original. It's an original that is very dear to me because I wrote it for my late grandmother. So, you guys like it. It's called Osaka.
Seperti selalu Usaka pergi jauh. Maafkan aku bila jarak dan waktu memisahkan. Kini ku sedia berlari melintasi semua tanpa henti hingga tiba masa kita kembali, hingga tiba masa kau di sisi. Beratku menyesali, beriku peluang sekali lagi. Takkan ku biar kau sendiri, ini janjiku yang terakhir. Bisa kau pergi jauh. Maafkan aku bila jarak dan waktu memisahkan. Kini ku sedia berlari melintasi semua tanpa henti hingga tiba masa kita kembali, hingga tiba masa kau di sisi. Akhirnya aku sadari segala waktu yang pernah tersia takkan kembali. Maafkan aku bila jarak dan waktu memisahkan. Kini ku sedia berlari melintasi semua tanpa henti. Maafkan aku bila jarak dan waktu memisahkan. Kini ku sedia berlari melintasi semua tanpa henti hingga tiba masa kita kembali, hingga tiba masa kau di sisi. Usaka pergi jauh. Usaka pergi jauh. Usaka pergi jauh. Usaka pergi jauh. Usaka pergi.
Thank you, that was Osaka Baby. And that's the end of the first set, but we'll have a second set after the open mic session, so hope you guys stay for that.
Haila and Ben. Awesome. Okay, I did give the introduction earlier, so I'll do the introduction now. My name is Prasad, I'm the MC for tonight. Welcome to our Swee Lee Open Mic. Speaking of open mic, shall I swap the mic now? Later. Okay. So yeah, we have this at the last Friday of every month. Last month we didn't have it because of the ASEAN event. So today we have it double the power with a full band. Usually we keep it quite simple, but tonight we have a full band with drums and all that. For those of you that have not signed up yet, with me, put your hands up that want to perform. Anyone? Haven't signed up yet for open mic? Don't have. No open mic performers. Yes, okay, I'll come to you later. Anyone else apart from Miss Suehaila and Cook, which will be next? Okay, anyone who wants to sign up, I'll be at the back. You can approach me later. Okay? So we shall begin the open mic session. Also, it is free seating. You guys can sit anywhere you want. And we shall proceed to our first performer, or should I say, performers of the night, because it's a big group. The Satu. So she says, Miss Suehaila, you can take care. Okay, we will set up first and then we'll begin, okay? Thank you.
My name is Suehaila, and we are the Satu Suara singing ensemble. We gathered maybe 4 months ago, 4 to 5 months ago, and we just do this for fun. So I would like to introduce the songs that we're going to sing. So that initially I just wanted to gather a group of people so that we can sing this song that I learned when I was in school. I was in school choir. It's called Hujan Emas. So I tried to look for it on YouTube. I couldn't find it except for a couple of not so very nice versions. So I took it upon myself to kind of make the parts, so they will be singing the different parts. And Hujan Emas is a song that I learned when I was in the choir as an 11-year-old school-going kid, and my school is now Pavilion. So yeah, I used to walk here and get the bus and things like that. So Bukit Bintang is very changed today. So the first song we're going to sing is Hujan Emas. Second is A Little Bit of Love. Third is Lean on Me. And fourth is Weatherman. So I present to you Satu Suara singing ensemble, and we just do this for fun. So I hope you enjoy our performance tonight. Thank you very much. And thank you for
Menuju harapan di hati. other. A little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love. Little drops of rain can trickle down into a puddle, and the puddles get together, making streams and make a river. The river fills the valleys with the roaring and the rushing, and the little drops of rain have made a wide, 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 wide ocean. A long way, but we'll get there together. A long way, but we'll get there soon. Along the way, we can lean on each other. A little love goes a long, long way. A little love, a little love, a little love.
Some of us here are singing for the very first time in public, so thank you very much.
Some he took that ship in tow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the time is done, we'll take our leave and go. Or even more, the diamond sack, they tried once more. There were only four, but still that will did grow. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. The fight's still on, the line's not cut, and the whale's not gone. The weatherman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew, and all. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Hello. All right, another round of applause for the Satu Suara Music Ensemble.
We're back. Thank you to the open micers. That was great. Can we have a round of applause? Open mic is actually a great place to be if you're, just new, you guys want to test out new materials, you guys just want to find new people to Test. I made a mistake taking a mint and I haven't finished it and it's just been in my mouth. Let me finish my mint. Yeah, almost choked. Okay, how are you guys so far? All good? Okay. We don't have many songs left. We have like 3 songs left. Thank you so much. We have a couple more originals and we have one last cover to do for this set before we end the night. This next song might be the next song I release, maybe, I don't know yet. Probably. It's called Ephemeral Queen. It's weird because it's actually inspired by a flower called Queen of the Night. I don't know if you guys know flower Queen of the Night, also known as Bunga Bakawali. So if you know Bunga Bakawali, it only flowers briefly at nighttime. If you catch it, you catch it. If you don't, the next morning it's gonna disappear. So it's inspired by that flower. So this one is called Ephemeral Queen. Let me go back to it. Okay. All right.
You
we gotta go back and play you a cover. This is from another one of my favorite singers called Olivia D. You guys have heard of Olivia D. This song is Nice to Each Other. So. each other. And we are down to our last song, the end. Again, thank you, Swee Lee, for having me. I'm Suehaila, if you guys just showed up. This last song is a song I released this year. I forgot now when, but it's called Sunday Kind of Monday. So you can find it on Spotify, it's out. Yeah, stream obviously on a Monday. It's the whole Monday blues situation, and I came up with this song, so. being and being. When I walk out under the hot sun and it feels like I'm melting. Notice how on the days start. Honey, let's stay. We could give time for this time, not just leave the bullet away. Trying to be productive too. Stay in these walls on you. When I walk out under the hot sun and it feels like I'm melting. You know I've got to make it apart. We just although there is so much to do, I would rather be in Thank you so much, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed tonight. Again, I'm Suehaila. Thank you for coming and thank you, Sweetie, for having me. Good night.